Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
We have carried out a total of 80 inspections, and out of which we have managed to book 23 cases, and we had checked all the traders who are dealing in business such as general store, horticulture, chicken centers, milk societies, then jewelry, financial institutions, and scrap traders, and the bar and restaurants, in which we had found that they were using the unverified weight and measure which were kept for use in the trading premises.
What about gold?
Gold, that also we have found electronic weighing scales which was unverified and kept in for trade in the gold jewelry premises. In all, we have booked 23 cases, which is in combination of the mechanical scales, electronic scales, and the peg measures.
This is only in Usgao, no?
In Usgao.
So what are the measures you all are going to take now?
Measures, they will have to pay the fees based on as per the head office.
So this will continue?
This will continue. This type of rates will be continued, and the near future will be continuing rates pertaining to packaged commodity also.